Good day guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Ride TV. And for today's vlog ay may nakita tayong low insulation sa may Alpha lubricator pump number 2. And since meron naman tayong spare na motor, so we have to replace it agad, maski meron pa naman tayong pump number 1. So just in case bumigay yung pump number 1, pwede pa natin malipat sa pump number 2. So this is the new pump motor. So ito na siya guys, naka-install na yung bagong pump motor. Though makikita nyo, iba yung orientation ng kanyang terminal block dahil nasa kabila nakalagay. Though we still managed to install it, basta same lang yung kuha ng kanyang tornilyo. At ito naman yung luma na grounded or may low insulation yung motor niya mismo. So now okay na siya. Guys, do follow and share sa iba ko pang mga videos. Do watch them sa YouTube channel ko, Ride TV. And paki-follow naman and share, and please also subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos on my YouTube channel, Ride TV. Thank you guys.